Hey guys, okay, really quick Cartier price increase update. Cartier's doing a price increase. This is an update video about it. It's a little late to the game. I'm super sorry that I'm posting it, that I didn't post it sooner. I literally just found out today, so I'm posting it today. It's happening tomorrow or Tuesday, April 17th or 18th. So I'm gonna give you all the info I have, so stick around for that more in the video. And if you guys already know about this, leave in the comments below if you're going to get something, or you already got something, or you're planning on getting something, or you want to go get something. If you know any more information about the price increase, please let me know in the comments below. You can all share the information and have it here, but I know I literally just found this out, so that's why I'm posting this video. Yeah, so I just want to do a really quick video to update you guys. You guys know I like to do these quick updates every now and then instead of my long, more drawn-out unboxings and like that. Just a quick update. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and I am a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead. And today I'm doing a quick update. I'm a little late to the game. Actually, I'm very late to the game. So sorry in advance, but I'm doing a quick Cartier update, Cartier price increase update. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm very late to the game because I think it's happening tomorrow or Tuesday, either Monday, April 17th or Tuesday, April 18th. So if you have not gotten what you want and you want to go get it, I would say go get it today or tomorrow, especially in the US. I think it's supposed to be the 18th. It's a worldwide price increase, is what from my understanding. Again, I'm sorry I'm late to the game. I think someone in my Facebook, in my Cartier Facebook group, had posted about there was going to be a price increase, and I was like, what? Shout out to Kagem, Haya Glamazon as well, and I watched her video, and you guys should check out her video and check out her channel. She's amazing, she's awesome. She puts a lot about Big H, a lot about spending at Big H, a lot about the whole Hermes process, all of that. Great channel, check her out. But I watched her video and she had mentioned it. So basically what I found out is it's a worldwide price increase. It's happening either April 17th or 18th, Monday, April 17th or Tuesday, April 18th. It's like kind of price adjustment to unify the prices. They did do a price increase last year, but in June, but the US wasn't affected. So everyone's saying the US is probably gonna be affected. Some people are saying 3 to 5%, other people are saying 8 to 10%. Apparently it's already happened in Australia. I think it happened in March in Australia. It's going to happen in Asia as well. It's a worldwide thing. France has confirmed it. Asia has confirmed it. So the US, I think, is also, I texted my USSA, but I haven't heard back, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be across the board. Some people are saying just fine jewelry. Some people are saying high jewelry. Some people are saying both, but I think it sounds like it's going to be both. It sounds like it's going to be like the love bracelet wasn't affected last time. I feel like it will be affected. And you guys know I love Cartier. I'm a big Cartier king, Cartier daddy, Cartier collector. I think I have mentioned this, but I have bracelets, and each one is for 1 year of sobriety for me. So I got my first one, my rose gold one, for 1 year sobriety, my gold one for 2 years of sobriety, and then my Clash Cartier that I got last year at the end of the year in Paris for 3 years of sobriety. So it's really important to me. It's really special to me. I love the brand. I love the designs. I love everything about them. I especially love the Clash. I'm getting really obsessed with this love bracelet. I think it's good. I love it, and I love having it. I don't think I want to get more. I think that it's becoming very common and very whatever. That can be a whole other video on the love bracelet, but I do really love the Clash. I got this in Paris when the price was, when the conversion rate was a lot lower, and the VAT, and because that whole stolen experience, it ended up actually being even cheaper. So this one's super special to me, and I do like, I mean, basically if you're gonna go if you want something, I would say go get it. And if you are going to get something, I'd love to know in the comments below if you're gonna get it, what you got, what the price is you got. If anyone knows anything about the prices, I'll try to do another video once the prices are released to see the difference, what percent, but people are saying 8 to 10%. But it's happening. I just want to do a quick video, update you guys. So that's what's going on. It should be happening tomorrow or Tuesday, so I would go in. I also learned from Kagem that being VIP, thanks again, Kagem, in order to be VIP Cartier, you have to spend $100,000 at the US in 1 year. So I'm definitely not VIP in the US or in Paris, but I was getting VIP treatment in January. Or I felt like VIP treatment, like a room with a bottle and champagne and this and that, and like even getting a personalized tour of the new store and stuff like that. That felt very VIP. Even though I haven't spent that much there, but I think that they know that I would, or they think that I would, which I would. Well, it depends. Anyway. But interesting to know about that, and Cartier VIP and being like luxury VIP and jewelry versus. Actually, you guys should all just watch her video. It's very informative. She has a short 5-minute video, probably just gonna be as long as this, about the Cartier price increase. And again, I'm sorry that I'm late to this. I'm sure a bunch of people already know, but I wanted to get up in here. For those of you that don't know, for those of you that are like me and did not know at all, I just found out, because I just found out like an hour ago. Somebody had mentioned it in one of those Facebook groups, and I saw it, and then I responded, and then they told me, and then but yeah, go watch her video. Go watch other videos if you need, but actually what you should really do is if you want to go get something, go get it. Go get it now, because it is going to happen very, very soon. Unifying, adjusting price increase, basically to, and I don't know if that means that US is going to come up to way more than France, so that it can, or France is going to come up to US, France is going to come up high enough to match the US now, so that it's the same price. Because right now, there is still a pretty good discrepancy in the price. Not like a very good, but like, For example, like I think this bracelet is 9250 euros, which ends up being 9,000, like, you know, with the conversion with going higher and then the VAT back ends up being 9,200, exactly the same. Whereas in the US, it's 8,500 plus tax, so that puts it at 93, 94 anyway. So you're kind of already at the same now. When I got it, it was 1.04, so it was 9250, ended up being 8,100 because it was only a little bit up in the exchange rate and then a lot back in the VAT. So it was a pretty big savings. So I don't know if they're gonna do that and unify everything now. So yeah, if you are in France right now, go get it in France too. Okay, that's all I got. Hope it was helpful. And I also have another video coming out soon about some more Hermes.com stuff and this is what's coming up, just so you guys know. Hermes.com, more stuff from buying from Hermes.com, then the whole Hermes.com process. Goyard unboxings from France, Bergdorf Goyard, part 2 of the Cartier and the Boeing. They are launching new duffel bags, and also I think I was able to find some, so if I get them, I'm gonna get them, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do a unboxing of those too. Louis Vuitton from France, part 2. Goyard from France, part 2. Delvaux Moignat for La Page. Some wear and tear, some reviews, some what fits in my bags for all the bags that I've recently got, and talking about and why I like them, why I don't like them, all those kind of things. A bunch more stuff. So guys, stick around, please. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So please appreciate you spending your time here with me. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys do. If you guys get something in the comments, let me know. If you know more info, let me know. I know it's happening very soon, but there's still time. It's still time. It's 3 o'clock. Cartier doesn't close till 5 on Sundays. No, 6? 5. And if it's not until the 18th, you have all day Monday. Go. Make it a priority if you want it. Okay. Love you, bye.